Hello guys, welcome back to our tutorial. How are you? Okay. Once again, happy new year and welcome to 2026. So today we are doing turban with a bow, 3-step bow, okay, with a v-neck. So we'll be showcasing our material. Okay, so now I have my material already cut, okay, which is this. I'm using a sequence, and I have this material stretching the material, and I have this sequence to cover it. Okay, so let's go and also get the measurement. I have this, my tools, my tape rule for measurement. I have my matching thread and needle. Of course, I'll be using, because it's a bow, I'll be using 3 inches thin line. I have my scissors. So guys, let's get the measurement. Here I have my turban. Okay, I hope you can see. So let's get the measurement. I have here 13 inches. Let me see how you can see it. Okay, this 13 inches by 13. So I'm using 13 inches for the body of the cap. Okay, and for the band, because it's a V shape, so I'll fold like this. This is a fold. Okay, so I have 4 inches by 14 inches, 4 inches by 14 inches, which is the band. Then I have this for the cover. This sequence will be on the top with the covering for this material. So the same measurement with the body. Okay, the same measurement with this, with the body. So we have also 13 by 13, 13 by 13. Okay, all right. Then for the bow, I have 3-step bow. Okay, I have this material to also cover the bow. Then I have this material, this measurement. I'm going to do it like this. The bow is going to be some inches bigger than each other or lesser than each other. Okay, so I have here 8 inches, okay, by 5. 8 inches by 5. That's bow 1. Okay, the same thing with the net. The net is the same measurement. So whatever I get on this material is what I'm using on this. Okay, so now this one is also, this is another shape of the bow. Okay, then here I have 6.5, okay, by 10 inches. This is the second bow. Then the last bow, because we are making 3-step bow, so whatever I have here, as I said, is what I have here. So here I'll make the bow like this. Okay, I'll get the measurement. This is 9 inches by 5 inches. Okay, that is the 3 bow. Okay, so guys, let's go and sew it, and we'll come back to show you. Sorry guys, there's something I want to show you. You know, after sewing, this is our V-shaped band. Okay, after sewing it, I have closed it all down, so I have to fold it into 2. I want to bring this to your notice. Okay, I'll fold this into equal size. Okay, into equal size, and I will trim it. I will cut it rather. Okay, I will cut it, divide it into 2. By the time you are divided into 2, then you form your V. Okay, I hope you are seeing it. You form your V. Okay, your V shape. You cross it to get your V shape. So I'm going to sew all the way down. Okay, after sewing this, I will pick the body of the turban. Okay, I'll pick the body of the turban. I'll put the V shape that I have closed. Okay, you locate the middle. Okay, you locate the middle like this. Okay, and you close with your nets, sequence nets. Okay, all right, then you stitch it all the way down. So I'll be right back. Okay guys, we have finished sewing. We have finished sewing. This is one of the bow. I have finished and I done it. This is the second bow, so we'll flip it over. Okay, flip it over. Okay, and this is third bow. We'll flip it over. Okay, so you are flipping it over like this. Okay, okay, then we will take our crinoline. We will start our 3 inches crinoline to it. Okay, so stay with me. I'm using 3 inches crinoline, so you can use 6 inches if you wish. So you start it inside. Okay, when you start it, you trim it to the level that you want. Okay, let me see. I'm thinking of making it like this. Okay, so I made it like this. I double it so it will give it volume. Okay, so by the time you are done, you trim out. Okay, then you close up this place. You take it to your machine, you fold it inward. Okay, you fold it inward like this. Okay, then you stitch it all the way down. So as I did this, I will do this and I'll be right back. Then for the body of the cap, this is the body of the cap. Okay, after you have sewn, this is the back. You take your scissors, you trim out the excess. Okay, you trim out the excess. So if you can weave it, you can choose to weave it. I'm not weaving mine. Okay, you can choose to weave it to give it that neat look at the edges, but for now I'm not weaving this, so just trim out the excess. Okay, let me trim the excess. So this is what we have. This is the band. Then you flip it over. I just want to show you so that you see the front. So we are going back to the back. Remember the way we run our turban. Okay, you take your needle and your thread. Okay, you start from here. Okay, we are doing running stitches. Remember, if you are a beginner, you'll be able to, by the time you finish closing it, you run this stitch like this, hold it together. So I'm going to do it all the way down. Okay, okay. By the time you are finished, you tie the knot. Okay, or you can do it twice so that it will be firm. So let's do it twice so that it will be firm. Okay, so let's go back from where we started. Okay, so before that we will draw out a bit of this where we started. Okay, you draw out a bit, rope out. Okay, then you start. So we are going back from where we started just to make it more firmly. Okay, just to make it more firmly. Don't forget the one you brought out because we're going to use it. Okay, so what, you know why we leave this one and this one, so you drag two of them together. Okay, until there is no more space. Then you take your scissors, cut it, then you tie the final knot. Okay, then you cut the final. Then here comes our turban cap. Okay, so let's fix the bow. Let's close up the bow, then we'll be right back to show you how to couple it together. Okay guys, welcome back. So we have successfully closed our 3 bow. Okay, our 3 bow is ready. So now it's for us to position it. We put it one after the other like this. Okay, then you get the middle. You get the middle. Okay, you take your chalk. Okay, you mark your middle. Just put a mark so you know where your middle is. Okay, then you use your needle and thread to secure it, to hold it together. Okay, just use to get your bow. So by the time you get it, you roll it like this. Use your thread. Okay, drag it. Look, you see what I'm doing? You drag it. You drag it. Okay, when you're satisfied, then you tie the knot. So our bow is ready. Our 3-step bow is ready. Okay, so it's now for us to attach it to our turban. Now for us to attach, so you look the side that is better. Is it the left side or is it the right side? So it depends on you, your choice or your client choice. Okay, before that we need to close this. Okay, we'll get a piece of this. Okay, you fold it like this. Just to close that rough edges that we tie with our thread. Okay, so use your needle and thread to secure it. You can also use your gum to secure it. So you can decide to use your model to get the sizes, the side that you want to attach it. So let me use my model to get the side I want to attach my Okay, by the time you get it, you pick your bow and attach it. So okay, I have to tell me where I want to put it, which is here. So I'm attaching it here. Okay, so I'll use my needle and thread to hold it down. You can glue if you want. Okay, you can glue if you want. I like tacking, I also like gluing, but since I still have my thread still on it, so I will use my okay. So I tell you I'm satisfied. Guys, tie the knot. The thread is already short, so let me cut it. Okay. Okay, our turban cap is ready. So for here, you can either use rose, you can either use any other thing to embellish here, but my clients want brooch. Okay, you want silver brooch, so I'm using brooch here. Okay, this brooch you can either glue it, or you attach it like that so that your client can remove it to and add to her clothes, or anyway, or change it or whatever. You can glue it, but for now I'm going to fix it like this, and voila, our cap is ready. So I'll show you the final look. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.